Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali and this is my another video on Excel charting tips. And today in this video we will learn to create how we can make speedometer charts for our dashboards. And speedometer charts are used to measure performance, as speedometer can be found on any car dashboard. They are instantly recognizable and they will add a certain style to your dashboards. Excel does not provide one of as a default chart type, so to create a speedometer chart in Excel we will need a donut chart and a pie chart together so that we can create a speedometer chart. The donut chart will be used for the speedometer background, and the pie chart will be positioned on top to create needle. So let's get started with creating a speedometer chart. I have a sort of database here. Let me first explain you what is the database telling us. In A column we have some dial colors like 180, 60, 60, 60, and altogether it's sum of 360. It's used to display the different colors of speedometer chart, and the sum function is used to ensure that its total equals to 360. Then I have a column of needle and breakdown, and then some other calculations. For the needle column, I have in cell B3, it ensures that the needle is accurately positioned. In cell B4, that is the needle width, and in cell B5 it completes the chart by adding up to 360 degrees. For breakdown we have just categories like submission, decision and stoppage, and on these column D and column B are linked together with the sum and multiplication formulas basically, so that it generates an idea for the speedometer chart to either it's performing a lower performance, average performance or a higher performance. Okay, I have a data here, and now we will create a speedometer chart very quickly. Let me just drag this. Okay, from the very basic points we will start to make a speedometer chart. Select the data from A2 till A5 and go to insert tab on the ribbon, and click on other charts, and here select donut chart. As soon as you click on it, the default picture of the donut chart will appear like this. Click on the legend and press delete so that legend will be removed. We have no use of legend here. Then click on these series, and right click on it and go to format data series, and here you will see a dialog window of format data series. In series options, here we have no rotation, it's default to 0. Set it to 90 and press close. And now we have to disappear the bottom area of our donut chart so that it will be look like a 180 degree chart, and we just need these three areas to use in our speedometer chart. So we will select this series only, below series, and double click on it, and then you will again see a series option window. Go to fill and select no fill and press close. So as soon as you do this step, the below portion will disappear. Now set these areas colors also. Click on the first plot area and go to home and change its background color to red, then for average performance yellow, and then for good or best performance green. Okay, and click on this chart area and remove its background color. You will find this from a format tab, and here you have to set no fill and no outline for the charting area. Okay, let's quickly make a pie chart also for the needle to be included in the speedometer chart. So select the data from B2 till B5 and go to insert and click on pie chart and select 2D pie chart. As soon as you click on it, a default picture will be shown like this, and we have to make certain modifications to make as only a needle, showing a needle in pie chart. Click on the legend, press delete, and now you have to make all the these areas to no fill just remaining this green thin fill area. What we will do, we will click on these data series and right click on it, go to format data point, and again we will set its rotation to 90 first. Okay, and now we will make it one by one with no fill color with series. So right click on it and go to format data point and then fill, press no fill, and every time do it with the same steps to no fill each of the area. Now you can see we have only a needle, a type of a needle in a pie chart. Change its color to black, go to home ribbon and change it to black color, and again go to format tab and select this chart area, and we have to select no fill and no outline here. Okay, just we have a pie chart right here, and just set the position of this pie chart so that it will look like a needle in it showing in this donut chart. That's it. We just combine a pie chart and a donut chart, and we just did our little tricks of no filling and compiling it, and now as soon as I change the figure here, it reacts like showing good performances and bad performances. Also you can insert some additional text boxes, like go to insert, click on shapes and select text box and write here a percentage for it, like 0% for very below. Just format this and place it right here, and copy this text box and paste it right here and make this as 25%. Similarly for this area choose 50%, and for the last best performance 100%. And now you can change the figures and you will see these performances on your speedometer chart, and you can analyze easily on your dashboards as well. Thank you so much.